Blockchain Explained. What is blockchain and how does it work? This comprehensive blockchain tutorial explains what is blockchain technology, its history, versions, types, building blocks, and how does a blockchain work. Blockchain has emerged as a popular technology among the top organizations. There are high expectations from this technology and adoption rates are increasing, with up to 77% of financial organizations being likely to adopt the technology into their in-production processes and systems from this year. However, blockchain is poorly understood, which is one of the impediments of its adoption. Close to 80% of people around the globe do not understand what it is. This is the first series of blockchain tutorials which covers all the aspects of this technology. We will understand blockchain and its history, how does it work, and its basics such as the types of blockchain, blockchain nodes, and distributed ledger. We will also look at how is it constituted. This blockchain tutorial will also briefly look at how blockchain secures data and how that can help organizations in their various operations.